You are going to love the 2015 Traverse. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, daytime running lamps, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, console. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.